You picture yourself in a beautiful waterfront condo with a panoramic view of Kempenfelt Bay, but maybe you thought to yourself, I'm not quite ready to downsize. Even the newer 2-bedroom and den units are under 1,000 square feet. Some of the stuff they're building are 400 to 600 square feet. But what if we had a 1,600 square foot, 3-bedroom, 3-bath condo on this waterfront? Now that'd be a rare gem. But now you're thinking that's gonna be over $1 million. And ordinarily, you'd be right. But what if you had to build it yourself? What if a little sweat equity got you into that property so much cheaper? Are you someone with an eye for design who wants to put your own stamp on something? Or are you an investor looking to flip something? We've got the perfect spot for you right here on Barrie's Waterfront. All that and more on today's episode. Look at that, an actual gatehouse. You know, this is one of the only condo developments in Barrie that has a secured parking lot. Talk about features. Welcome to Marina Bay Condominiums, guys. What we've got here for you today, as I mentioned, is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, 1,600 square foot condo with 2 storage lockers built in one of Barrie's first premier waterfront developments, and there's going to be no doubt about why. This unit just needs a little bit of love and your personal touch, but let me show you what I'm talking about. Wow, what did I tell you guys? Check out the size of this space. You're absolutely gonna feel the 1,600 square foot up here. We've got 3 bedrooms to either side, loads of space for you, your family, your guests, your offices, whatever else that you need. But that space continues. You've got living space, you've got dining space, you've got eat-in kitchen space. And this kitchen itself, this is where you're really gonna put in a little bit of elbow grease to make this place shine. I'm picturing new cabinets, integrated appliances, maybe a pot filler. You are gonna make this space gleam, and you are gonna entertain here with your gorgeous panoramic view. And over here we've got the front primary suite. And I say front primary suite because this unit actually has 2 primary suites. Primary and secondary, I don't know what you want to call it, but we have 2 large bedrooms that both have their own en-suites, plus a 3rd bath in the hall. Well guys, I'm able to take my hard hat off here for a moment and relax because this balcony needs absolutely no work and no imagination. I mean, just look at this view. You're not gonna ask for a better spot anywhere in Simcoe County than sitting right here on this balcony and checking this out. You've got a view from 3 sides here. You can see all the way down to the old Allendale train station. You can see the complete bay glistening in the sunshine and all the way through to downtown, the city lights. I mean, you can't ask for a better spot to hang out, and you're close to shops, restaurants, wood-fired pizzas right downstairs. You're absolutely going to love it here. But this building's not only about the view. I mean, this is gonna be the most important part, but we have just about every amenity you can ask for here as well, like a huge rooftop terrace, a library, a party room with a wet bar, internet, and a flat screen TV, a well-equipped gym, a fully loaded guest suite that's got its own bathroom, a mini fridge, and even Wi-Fi, and a beautiful pool and hot tub that's even got its own view of the bay. And last but not least, a lovely cedar sauna. Guys, we are the Knowles Woolsey team, and we know Barrie. For more information on this listing and others like it, check out our website.